This is the HEYPLUS Watch. Currently, you're seeing the always-on display. Tiny twist of your wrist lights up to a beautiful AMOLED screen with animated watch faces. Twist it, it's off. Twist it, it's on. Super support for that. You've got notifications sent from your phone. This way, we've got all kinds of controls, including, check this one out, a special low-power mode that puts it in a different kind of an always-on display. Press and hold the side, give it about 10 seconds, and it'll take you out of that mode and back to your regular watch face. You've got twist your wrist to see the time, the always-on display, or not. If you turn that off, when it goes off, it goes to black. A good range of brightness and a flashlight that's kind of unique. It gives you a dim flashlight. Tap it if you want it bright. Tap it again if you want it dim. Two different levels of brightness. And of course, you've got your overall settings where you can change watch faces. You have the animated one like we saw right there. You can bring up a fancy jellyfish on this one if you want to. In your display, this is where you can set your brightness, your actual screen time. It does have double tap wake up capability as long as you do it within 5 seconds of it going off. You've got the raise to see the time, and in always on, you can activate it and you can enable it during a time frame window so it won't be always on at night while you're sleeping. It even has a smart mode that it supports as well. Very well thought out in terms of how it's handling display. Reminders, do not disturb your overall battery situation, and it's got great battery life. It's only dropped 2%, and I've been putting it through all kinds of stuff over the last couple of days. In general, you got a way you can change the app view from grid to list, and we'll show you the grid. You got vibration strength, power off, and reset. And again, talking about the apps, get back to the watch face, they show up here, or in a list. When you go this way, you've got your step count information for the day, heart rate, which is giving you a continuous heart rate chart down here, and it's empty in that little slot there when I took it off and took a shower today, so it's very accurate. You've got weather in Fahrenheit or centigrade in whatever city that you want, and in the app itself you can scroll up and get a forecast. You'll see that in the full review, and you got an onboard music player too that'll play music from your phone. There's the jellyfish we're talking about. Beautiful watch. It's a nice TPU silicone style of a removable band. You got your diodes in here, red for blood oxygen, and of course green for heart rate. Charging dock goes with this one. One button, the Apple look and feel, size and shape of a watch, but it does a whole lot of very interesting stuff. Excellent use of the always-on capability and the bright screen texture of an AMOLED screen display. It's the HEYPLUS Watch. Check it out.